A lot of the support that comes from the community through our Day of Giving goes to being able to help our students. Even before they officially become Fresno State students, we offer summer enrichment workshops to them so that they can, hit the ground running once the semester starts. So they get exposed to software tools, they get special training in software tools that they're going to utilize in their classroom and in their courses, so that they can are able to complete their projects, do homework, and that's something that's very unique to our college, and it's something that's very helpful to the success of our students, because it's something that we provide to students across all disciplines, all 7 disciplines that we offer. So we have SOLIDWORKS, we have MATLAB, we have Python programming, we have building information modeling, we have Autocad. So all these different software tools that to many of our first year students, they can be foreign, and so it's something that they're not familiar with, but that's why we offer this special training for them during the summer. We also provide tutoring services and supplemental instruction to help them with the actual coursework once the semester begins. In 57 different courses is what we're offering this fall.